Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another Valentine's look as a part of my Valentine's series. I like to use any holiday as an opportunity to do some type of festive look. You have probably figured that out by now. But today I want to use the Ace Beaute Scarlet Dusk palette. You've seen me use this before. I'll link it up there if you want to see it. And I absolutely raved about this. Today I'm wanting to use some of these berry tones over here for this look. Obviously you don't have to just do this for Valentine's Day. You can do it for anything. You know what I mean? But like I said, I'm using it as an opportunity to dive back into this palette. So for this look, I'm wanting to go for kind of a deep halo eye look. So we'll see how it goes. It's going to be really colorful, really pretty. And yeah, that's just what I wanted to do today. So we're going to get started with taking a fluffy brush and the shade Lotus into our crease. So I'm just using this Bogacious smudge brush. I really just want to get this laid down first. Really, I just want to light wash this color as a transition shade. Next, we're going to go in with this shade Bahamas, and I think I'm going to take this on a smaller brush. Let's take it on my Vasanti Contour eyeshadow brush, this little teeny guy right here. And I'm going to pop that into the crease and right above, blending upward. So I'm going to go in now with the shade Nocturnal. And we're going to take just the littlest bit of this directly into the crease. I really don't want to take it anywhere else. This is a pretty deep wine shade. Now taking that first blending brush that we used, I want to blend the top of my edges so that they are softer. I want everything to be smooth. So now to get into the deep of it, we're going to take Sangria, which is this one right here, and I'm going to start adding this to the inner and the outer corner of my eyes to create that halo effect. So I do like to take my inner and outer corners when I do a halo look kind of far up, if you can tell. It is above my crease. Really, I do that because I have a lot of eyelid space. If you don't have quite as much eyelid space as I do, you might not want to take it as high. It's really about what works for your face, because we all look different. So if you find it looks a little too intense taking it above the crease, then you can try taking it down some. And then we're going to go back in with that blending brush and just soften the edges of that out. Now that we've got that done, I'm going to do the same thing underneath. I'm going to go in with this Lotus shade first. I'm going to run that across the entire lash line. And then I'm going to go in with Sangria right in the front and connect those two. Now I want to take a clean blending brush. Let's see, this one's a little big. Let me find a smaller one. Let's take this Luxie 207 brush. And I want a clean brush to soften these edges up. So I did leave the center of my lids pretty bare already, but I think I'm going to take a teeny tiny bit of this LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Flat White and add it to the center of my lid. if I can find the brush I like to use for that. That better not be it after I really looked at it 5 times. Really? Okay, so I'm going to take my Luxie 246 Precision Crease brush and tap just a wee bit into that white. And I'm going to go ahead and put this here because I really want the middle color to stand out. And it doesn't need to look perfect because we're just going to go in and cover it up anyways. So for this, I'm going to take a little of the shade Aurora. I cannot say that word. Aurora. Yeah, why? I don't know. It's just, I don't know. Okay, so I'm going to take this on where the white meets the deep color. I don't want to carry it all the way into the middle. I do just want to use it on that edge. Do the same on the other side of the crease. And we're going to take the shade Maui. And I think I want to spray my brush first so I can get the most impact. I'm just going to use some of my Tarte Ready Set Radiant for this. And I'm going to go into that shade Maui. I'm going to load my brush up with it. Oh yeah. That's nice and bright. I'm going to go back in and blend one more time. So for this look, I did want to add a little bit more pizzazz to it, if that's the word. I'm going to take this Shockwave liner from LA Girl in the color Blaze, and I'm just going to line my waterline with that. We're going to move on to lashes and get those out of the way. Then we're going to come back and do lips and highlight. So I definitely feel like I want to do a little bit of bronzing with this look. I feel like I just want a little bit, you know, more. So I'm going to take my Pur Bronze and Brighten palette, of course. So now we're going to go in with our Luxie 522 highlighter, and I'm going to take the Ofra Nikkie Tutorials Glow Goals, and I'm going to probably do like a medium amount of highlighting. So you guys know what I'm going to say. You can do a nude lip, you can do a bold lip. What'd you think I was going to do? Yeah, I'm doing a bold lip. So I'm just going to use a really pigmented gloss. This is the Hikari lip gloss in Merlot. And under my lights right now, it looks a little red. It's actually berry colored. It's actually the same color as, what is it? Let's see. In front of me, it's the same color as the Bahamas shade. But under these lights, it's looking a little red. But you'll be able to see, you know, I post pictures to Instagram after I do this, so you can see how it looks in natural light and everything else, no filters, and just how it actually looks. So that, you know, if you want to have a better idea, you can have a better idea. Just head on over to my Instagram. It's in my description box. So, yeah. That is this look. You see we got a little bit of highlight going on. Not too much. It's not a crazy amount. Not crazy. We didn't get crazy with it. But it is, you know, it's like a medium amount. So I'm just bringing you guys in so you can get a look up close. And you can see where we blended those colors out in the center where it's not, you know, 3 harsh lines. You got to really shimmy them back and forth. Get a good blend on it. And we have super black lashes. We have that really colorful, pretty liner. I love those Shockwave liners. If you haven't seen my tutorial for those, go check them out. Alright, and that's all for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll probably be doing another one of these next week, like I said before in my Tuesdays video, and I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you subscribe. I post every Tuesday and Thursday, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!